Morning, guys. Actually, afternoon, 12:30. So, I just wanted another update on this new strategy that I'm looking at. I'm trying to configure it and to see if it works as a scalper, and I'm using it on the range charts. And so far, I think I've got it pretty close to being nailed. But again, it's early, so I'm continuing the testing. But I just wanted to show you what I'm looking at. Now, I added the stochastics as another little planet to align for this strategy, and it seems to be working pretty well. Now, I've drawn three arrows here. Hopefully you can see them. Two blues and then the red one. Just to show you what candle the entry was on. Okay, so we'll look at this red one first, the red arrow. It would have been this candle here. We had a short entry, and it only went about 5 ticks, and then reversed against us pretty hard. So that's another thing I'm working on, is trying to figure out the risk reward and how much to risk. So in this case, I'm looking for 10 and 10. So I want to make 10 or lose 10. So this trade here, this first trade, gave us a 10 pip loser. The next trade would have got us short on this candle here, giving us maximum, let's say 20 pips. But we would have taken our 10 and been happy. Okay, so that was a nice little entry. And then the third entry here would have happened right there. Okay, and there's our 10 pip stop, so we never got hit there. And then max probably, let's say 15 for argument's sake. But we would have taken our 10, stuck to the plan, and got our 10 ticks. So just to give you an idea, guys, the scalping thing, I like the longer term, at least the 5 and the 15 minute, the setups that it's giving on those time frames. And then if I could, and I think it can work on the range charts, to really scalp and to get a lot of trades. So if you're looking for 20 or 30 pips a day, this is probably something you can really use. So here we would have been net up 10, and carrying on the rest of the day, I'm sure we can get another 2 or 3 more winning trades. So this is a really handy little strategy so far. It's early, but so far it's looking very promising, very promising. So that's exciting. So we'll see how, I'm going to keep this chart up, and I'll keep looking at it. And that happens to be the euro dollar. I like the euro dollar just because everybody's going to have narrow spreads on the euro dollar, regardless of what broker you're with. So I think it's probably best that you scalp the euro dollar, and so I'll just keep that one up. I'm not going to mess around with this scalping strategy, quote unquote, with other pairs. So it'll always be on the euro USD. So that's it, guys. Just a quick update, and I will keep you updated further on how this kind of pans out. If it gets better, if it gets worse, stays the same, and we'll talk to you soon.